Welcome back, myself Mr. Anki, and you are watching your channel Nursing Medicos. Today we'll discuss assessment of growth. In baby, we'll discuss about the weight, length and height. Next we'll discuss head circumference, then we'll discuss chest circumference, then mid-arm circumference, then body mass index, then we'll discuss fontanelle closure and eruption of the teeth. We'll discuss all the points one by one within short period we'll discuss, so we'll start now. Before that, you subscribe my YouTube channel and ring the bell icon so that you can get my all videos notification. In that we will discuss about the weight. At the birth, the baby average weight is 2.5 to 3.8 kg. At the 6 month, the weight will be double, that is 5 to 6 kg. At the 12 month, the weight will be triple, that is 7.5 to 8.5 kg. At the 2 year, the weight is 10 kg, that will be 4 into birth weight. And at the 3 year, the baby weight is 12.5 kg, that will be 5 into birth weight. So this is about the weight. Next we will discuss at the 5 year, 15 kg, that is 6 into birth weight. And at the 7 year, 17.5 kg, that is 7 into birth weight. And at the 10 year, weight is 2.5 kg, 10 into birth weight. Next we will discuss about the length and height. At the birth, baby length is 50 centimeter. At 3 month, this is 60 centimeter. At the 9 month, length is 70 centimeter. At the 12 month, 75 centimeter. At the 2 year, 87 centimeter. 3 year, 96 centimeter. And the 4 year, length and height is 103 centimeter. The next point, head circumference. At the birth, head circumference is 33 to 35 centimeter. Many time asked in many time exams. Then at the 3 month, 40 centimeter. 6 month, 43 centimeter. 1 year, the head circumference is 45 centimeter. At the 2 year, 3 centimeter. And at the 7 year is and 12 year is 52 centimeter. So we'll discuss next point, chest circumference. At the birth, that is 30 to 33 centimeter, that is less than head circumference. We can see head circumference is 33 to 35 centimeter and chest circumference is 30 to 33 centimeter. Then at the 1 year, that is 45 centimeter, and 5 year, that is 50 centimeter. Next point, mid arm circumference. At the birth, that is 11 to 12 centimeter. 1 year, 12 to 16 centimeter. Then 1 to 5 year, that is 16 to 17 centimeter. And 12 year, that is 17 to 18 centimeter. And at the 15 year, that is mid arm circumference is 20 to 21 centimeter. The next point, body mass index. What is the formula? Body mass index, weight in kg divided by height in meter square. That is the body mass index formula. If body mass index 18.5 to 25, that means a person is, that is in normal. If BMI is less than 18.5 or below, it means the person is underweight. If BMI is 20 to 25, that means overweight. And above 30, that is means any person, man, is above 30, that is obese person. The next one, fontanelle closure. Anterior, there are two fontanelle, anterior and posterior. Anterior is diamond shape and posterior is triangular in shape. Anterior fontanelle, that is close to 18 months, and posterior, that will close 6 week, means 1.5 month. Next one is eruption of the teeth. Temporary teeth, that will eruption will occur at the 6 month to 3 year, and permanent 6 to 12 year. So that all is about growth and assessment of baby. So you like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.